Hey guys, it's a lovely Tuesday, and it is mail call. So I have been waiting for these to show up for months. So it is toward the end of February, and was looking forward to getting these since October of last year, so almost 5 months. So I sent these off, or probably in this box here, sent those off to get refurbished, and at the same time get some other matching wheels. So these are going to be for the coupe, and let's get these things open. There's something special. There's my tool. So I sent these off. Well, it spurred me on back October, early November, when these guys had a sale, and their sale was free shipping. And since I'm in the UK, I thought that may be worth my while to finally just take the plunge and get it done, save a couple $100 for the shipping. But let's see how these things showed up. Hopefully there's no damage. And the sticker should start telling you what's in here. Thank you for purchasing what we feel is the best made in USA wheels available. Responsibility end user to verify fitment and any clearance issues before mounting tires and installation on the vehicle. Recommend installing the wheel loosely with only a few nuts to verify fitment. And standard. Won't take it back after tires are mounted. That's standard. So some of that. So these are beautiful. Bogart Racing D10s, 4-lug, custom, 9 inches wide. Is that 9 inches? That looks like 10. And by 6-inch backspace. What do we got here? Yeah, 9 inches. The wheel is a little over 10, but the bead width is 9. Let's see what we got here. Shiny. I don't know if I can get it good. I get a lot of reflections in there. These things are light. Nice hub. These are gonna go good. Coupe. Sweet. Let's get the other box. Gotta get the skinnies out. Pardon the dead time and me not being in the camera. I think these are the fronts here. So one box is heavier than the others. So what spurred on all of this for choicing these wheels is a couple years ago I saw these wheels advertised. I can't remember if it was on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and had a buddy that I knew would be interested, and told him to go pick these up because I knew what they were. And I picked these front skinnies up, I think for $100. And they didn't have the center caps, but that was okay. And so he picked them up and had them for a couple years, and I don't think he was going to use them because we went and researched how much the rear wheels were going to cost, and he kind of lost interest. So So I picked them up off of him just for doing some work for him, and then I took the plunge. Sent these in to get refurbished, repolished, and they had, one of the rims had a little had a dent in it. So I think they took the dent out, polished them up, and then I ordered the rear matching wheels to go with. So need a little bit more elbow grease to polish these up, but they look a lot better than they did. Oh, they even redid the insides, because before the silicone that was in here was kind of gooey looking and it was coming away. It looks like they refurbished them all. Racing only April of '01 is when these wheels were made. So, and they got new metal valve stems. I didn't know they were going to come with that. That's nice. One was the dented one, but I'll have to take them both out and look. There should be center caps in one of these boxes as well. So let's look at box number 3. I hope the center caps are in there. I've ever spent this much for a set of wheels before. But, you want to play, you gotta pay at some point. Yeah, no center caps. Look back in the original box. No center caps. No center caps. And no center caps. Great. Oh well. Alrighty. Well, they're not that expensive, even if I gotta call them back and ask them what's going on. So, well, sweet. Probably mock them up, especially on the rear. See what they look like, and gotta wait another week or two, wait for some payday and order some tires. So yeah, this will be looking pretty sweet for track day. These are definitely not street tires. So alright, mail call done for now, but still pretty exciting. Catch you guys in the next video.